Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I did another look with the X Jkissa collection and I really like the outcome. It's a little out of my comfort zone. These aren't colors that I would typically wear. They're a little more green, but I really like the glitter and the winged liner and how they all turned out. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure to do so and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so my brows are on. I'll make sure to link that tutorial in the cards above, and I went ahead and I primed my lids with the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer in Rose and the Wet n Wild eyeshadow in Creme Brulee. Going in with Paloma from the e.l.f. Jkissa To the Rescue palette, I am just going to buff that all throughout my crease. Lay it down as a nice transition shade. Now I'm taking Thatcher and giving myself a nice wing with it, but I'm only keeping it towards the outer half of my eye. I'm not bringing it in. I'm gonna wet my brush with a little bit of setting spray just to intensify the pigment. Gonna leave the eyes as is for now and go on to the complexion. I'm just priming with the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer, pushing that into my T-zone area. Gonna pop on a little bit of the First Aid Beauty Triple Protection Skin Tint. I'm just going to cover up my under eyes and any other imperfections on the face with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And I'm just setting that concealer in place with the Coty Airspun powder. For just a little bit extra coverage, I'm going in with the JCat Beauty Aquasurance Compact Foundation. I'm warming up the skin a little bit with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, focusing it mostly on the perimeter of my face, but I'll bring it across my nose a little bit. For blush, I'm using Rose from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pink Passion Blush Trio. Hitting the high points of my face with the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter and Be My Highlight. Hitting my brow bone with it too. I'm just redefining my big freckle with the e.l.f. brow pencil. Lining my lips with the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in Lost in Love. And I'm just popping a little bit of Bare Minerals Sex Spot on top of that. Now I'm just taking Thatcher again and lightly smoking it out on the outer half of my lower lash line. I'm gonna take a fluffier brush just to blend that out a little bit more. And this doesn't have any product on it. Now with the e.l.f. and Jkissa Tsuki to My Heart eyeshadow duo, I am gonna take the green shade, which is I'm Upset. I'm gonna pick that up on a small little pencil brush and line my eye with it. Put it on my lower lash line too to match the upper lid. Kind of overlap where that blue is. Take it kind of all over my lid, just patting it out, but focusing it right against that lash line. I'm gonna pop Firefly on my inner corner. And now with the What a Pity Smile shade from that e.l.f. and Jkissa eyeshadow duo, I'm gonna pop that right over my inner corner. Right to the center of the lid too, just for a little extra sparkle. Now I'm just curling my lashes and throwing on some of the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. Now I'm just throwing on some of the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. And that's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on Friday.